For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a bid to boost up the economic activities of the country, the Ministry of Home Affairs gave permission for the malls to function as well, so that it will also provide a boost for the economy of India. Right now, I'm here outside one of the malls as well as the commercial establishments too. And if you look at the precautionary measures, you can clearly see that a distance of 6 feet, the physical distancing of 6 feet is being maintained over here. And on these marked footsteps, the people will have to stand as well. And apart from that, the Ministry of Home Affairs had also made it mandatory that guidelines will have to be mentioned right outside the malls in the form of standees or any media, and you can look at it. Welcome back to a safe place for fun and shopping. Wearing face mask is mandatory. Temperature will be checked before entry. Please use contactless payments. Social distancing of 2 meters is mandatory. Please note the store capacity before entering, and entry to the mall is staggered, meaning to say that only few people will be left in batches over here, which is equally important at the same point of time. And apart from that, you will be walking through the mandatory security process as well as security checks as well. And as soon as we enter, you can clearly go ahead and look at it that there is a staff over here who will be taking the temperature checks for all of us. And once they see that our temperature is not spiking above, only then we will be let inside the malls. And you can also clearly notice that I'll be standing on this foot mark, and they will be spraying us completely with disinfectants as well. And this is something which is quite mandatory as well, and there will be a thorough disinfectant procedure that will be followed overall. And apart from that, you also have hand sanitizers too, but before that there will also be a checking which will be conducted by the security as well once we are indoors too. And also if there are any sort of bags or baggage that will be brought in, even they will be disinfected. And you can look at it that hands are not used, but a foot pedal is being used. So as soon as you press the foot pedal, you can actually sanitize your hands too, which is equally important. Now going ahead and giving you a thorough look of how the malls are functioning as well. Yes, they are wearing a deserted looks, and today being the first day since economic activities have resumed, you can look at majority of the shops over here wearing a deserted look. But also at the entry as well as exits of all these malls, you can be seeing that there are less staff in number as well, and they're also making sure that there will be social distancing that will be maintained too. And at the entry and exits of each stage of the mall, you can again see thermal scanners as well as disinfectants as well. And also now clearly going on and looking at it, you have a keep safe distance mentioned everywhere. And also there are notes which has been put outside shops, and it clearly goes ahead and shows that we are happy to see you back. Please hang tight, and a team member will welcome you into the store soon. So this is the sort of safety measures that is being seen in some of these shops as well. And majority of these apparel shops have clearly gone ahead and stated that they will not be able to use any sort of changing rooms too, because once you buy it, it is yours and you will not be allowed to try it on, because that is something which will help us in battling COVID-19 clearly. And going through it, everywhere there are safety notices that has been put up everywhere. So this shows how it is as well. And again, you can see as to social distancing standees which are being put over here as well. And the gaming arcades have been closed over here. And apart from that, the bars over here too will be closed, along with the micro breweries too. And you can see that even these escalators or else these steps too are being sanitized from a time to time basis as well. So moving ahead, you can clearly see that whatever is being done, it is being done rather in a systematic manner at the malls too, because they want to make sure that there will be no sort of untoward incident that will be reported, and it will not become a COVID-19 hotspot too. And everywhere that you go, you all have these symbols welcoming you, saying keep a safe distance, because this is quite mandatory as well. And the entire mall, you can see that there are staff who are ready to welcome you, and there are people who are seen wearing masks at all points of time, and it has been made mandatory for the staff to be wearing masks. And at point of time, they will also have to go ahead and clearly wear gloves too. And in this particular section too, you can see that there is only a single staff member who is present over here, because there is also a rule that has been put forth by the Ministry of Home Affairs, which clearly says that before entering the shops, make sure that you see the number of people who are there inside, because you will have to cut it by 50% as well, and they will be working on alternative days as well. And across this entire mall, you can clearly go on and see that strict rules as well as all the guidelines are being followed too, because yes, economy will have to be revived, but also at the same point of time, we will have to learn to live with COVID-19 too, because that is definitely the need of the hour as well. And going on and moving ahead to the apparel stores that I was clearly saying, you can see that one of the prominent apparel stores over here, which has displayed clothing for customers to come in. You can see that there are health practices for safe shopping. It has been clearly mentioned over here. And to ensure your safety amid the COVID-19 outbreak, we are taking the preventive measures. And this is the same display as we had seen outside too. And this is definitely the need of the hour as well. And you can see that all the staff are wearing masks too, which has been made mandatory. And it clearly shows the fact that everybody has been trying to follow the rules too. And apart from that, you can also see one important thing about trial rooms that we were saying. Our trial rooms are closed. Please feel free to try the garment at your home and avail 7 days exchange service too. So this is one important thing, because many of the customers also had clearly gone on and objected, saying that if we are not able to use trial rooms, what do we do it? So you do not need to worry. Some of the apparel stores have clearly stated that you can go ahead and try the garments at your house, and if you feel that it will not fit you, you can then bring it back and exchange it too. So this is definitely will work out in the benefit of the customers as well as the shopkeepers too. But one big thing is, how will this go ahead and revive our economy? That is something which only time will have to go ahead and answer. With camera person Mantesh, Prajwal Prasad reporting for News 9, Bengaluru.